In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Read AI in Google Meet 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Google Meet, incorporating Read AI is a fantastic way to enhance your experience, streamline meeting management, and take your engagement level to a new height. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up and start using this powerful tool. First, the journey begins by navigating to Google Meet. You can simply type Google Meet into your browser's search bar and hit enter. This will bring you to the Google Meet landing page. Here you'll see various options, but what we're really interested in is integrating Read AI. So once you've reached the Google Meet homepage, look towards the top right corner and you'll notice a grid made up of small squares. This is often referred to as the waffle icon, a little gem of an icon that opens up a suite of Google applications. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu filled with all the apps available to you within the Google ecosystem. We're looking for something specific though, and that is the Chrome Web Store. After clicking the waffle icon, locate and select the Chrome Web Store from the available options. This is an important step as the Chrome Web Store is where you'll find all sorts of extensions and tools that can enhance your Google Meet experience, including Read AI. Once you've landed on the Chrome Web Store page, it will be time to search for Read AI. In the search bar at the top, type Read AI and press enter. The Chrome Web Store will display a list of results related to your search query. In these results, you should find Read AI for Gmail. Remember, Read AI is designed to work seamlessly with various Google services, including Meet and Gmail. Click on the Read AI for Gmail link from the search results. This will take you to the extension specific page in the store. Here, you'll find detailed information about the extension, user reviews, and an Add to Chrome button. This button is your gateway to start using Read AI with Google Meet. By clicking on it, you'll initiate the installation process, let it download, and you should be all set. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the ability to use Read AI in Google Meet. With this extension, you'll be able to get AI insights, increase productivity during meetings, and benefit from automation that takes some of the workload off your shoulders. Thanks for joining me today and taking the time to learn. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting you up with Read AI. Enjoy your enhanced Google Meet experience and happy meeting.